So this is a part 5. Part 4. Okay.
Sorry, I was mistaken.
Yes, a mistake. And this is very happy picnic because Christine and me is super happy, best friend forever.
Hey, besties. Yeah, we are besties. And yesterday it was Isa's birthday.
Yes. And Christine, pumunta siya si Christine. And guys, meron pala tayong part 6. Look, malapit na maubos yung time namin.
Oo.
So, maggagawa naman kami ng part
5.
Part 5. Oh my God. Naubos na yung chocolate ni Christine. Ay, naubos na yung chocolate ni Christine. Kaya sa akin na siya kumukuha. Pero ubos na yung state ko. Kaya sa kanya na ako kumukuha.